In this video, I'm gonna use value count to count number of value in column drivetrain and engine size. So we're gonna do calculation to calculate how many value in drivetrain column and engine size. Then I'm gonna rename the column. So let me first show you the value count function. Start with print df drivetrain dot value underscore count. And then if you hit Control B to run the code, so we have the following result. Front wheel drive 116 car, rear wheel drive 75, and four wheel drive 8 cars. And after that, I'm gonna use the function to frame and rename the column. So let me show you how. If you are here, click escape to go. Then I'm gonna delete the print function. I don't need it. So I'm just gonna need this one. Now I'm gonna create a variable. I'm gonna call it drivetrain count equal df drivetrain value underscore count dot to dot frame, then drivetrain count dot rename columns equal drivetrain value underscore count comma in place equal true, and then drivetrain count dot index dot name equal drivetrain. Now if you use the function print drivetrain count, that I'm gonna use the first five, show you the first five. Hit enter. Now hit Control B. Now here we go. We count how many front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, and four wheel drive, and then rename the column. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the engine size. So we're gonna do the same code here, but for the engine size. And I'm gonna also copy the print statement. So I'm just gonna copy, paste here, and I'm gonna change the drivetrain to engine size. So I'm gonna pause the video and change the variable. So here we go. This line of code for drivetrain section and this line of code for engine size section. Make sure to change the variable name. I changed the variable name to engine size. Now if you hit Control B, it will show you the value count for the drivetrain and the value count for the engine size. Next video, I'm going to show you how to do basic grouping